This, my friends, is the one thing that I've been looking forward to trying out the most on my Slash. I've gotten an Outerwears cover for it. These trucks, because of the style chassis they have, they get a lot of rocks in, and dirt and debris, and so I thought, you know what, I'm tired of this, I'm tired of it being full of crap, so I decided to get myself an Outerwears, and I'm really hoping that this is going to do the trick for my Slash here. Alright, let's see what's in the package here. Obviously you're going to have the filter. No, don't even need a knife. You're going to have a filter. And alright, there we go. So this is the filter, or the cover, and this is the other Velcro that we're going to be using. Very cool. It's a very interesting material. I hope that it does what I want it to. But, I mean, I think that it's going to, because Outerwears, if you guys don't know, the company Outerwears, they make full-size vehicle filter covers. So they make like covers for air filters, for lots of different vehicles, and so that's why I went with Outerwears. I know there's a lot of different brands of covers for the Slash and other vehicles, but I thought, you know what, I'm gonna go with something that's tried and true, that's trusted. Got a nice protected zipper there so it won't get super dirty. Got some sweet stickers, gotta love my decals, and some instructions here. So it looks like the first thing that we have to do is clean the areas where the Velcro is going to go on with some rubbing alcohol, which makes sense because you want to make sure that the Velcro stays on really well, and you want to make sure that it's nice and clean when you do so. You want to make sure that when you're cleaning off your chassis with rubbing alcohol, you do it really well, because otherwise your Velcro is going to be coming off, and it's really not a great plan, because then your Outerwears will be coming off, and then it just becomes a big mess, because then you get stuff in your chassis and all that stuff. It's not fun. I will note, or do note, that you gotta take your shocks off of your A-arms, and, oops, don't know where that went, I'll find that later, and I had to take the sway bar off, because otherwise I can't really get in there to apply the Velcro or clean the chassis. So that's pretty good, just like that. Yeah, that's pretty good. And then the other thing that you need to do, so you gotta clean here, the opposite side, up in the front here, and over on that section too. But you also need to clean right here on the inside where the battery tray is, because that is where it gets attached on that side, basically. Hopefully we have extra, or hopefully there's a significant amount here, that there's some for extra. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of measure it out by hand in a way. About there. Grab my scissors and cut it. Now comes the fun part, trying to get this stuff on there properly. Right there. There we go. There's the first piece of Velcro stuck on there. Probably could have done a little bit of a better job on the top there, get it a little bit more flush, but looks pretty okay for now, for what we're doing here. Just gotta make sure it's all pushed down really well, because otherwise it's gonna be coming up, and that's not ideal. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of the Velcro, and I will come back when I'm done. Alright, there we go. So I've got all the Velcro stuck on, got the pieces that are there, the one that's on the opposite, or on the edge of the chassis by the battery tray, and also the two on the back here. So I think it turned out okay. just make sure that when you're doing it, you get it all pressed on super well, and not to go like bugging with it or pulling at it after, so that it has time to really stick to the chassis. There is extra Velcro, so enough to do this inside one, probably just one whole one of those, or one of these and one of the back ones, or both back ones. So you do have some extra in case one starts to come off, which, knowing me, is probably going to happen. So yeah, let's go ahead and put the actual cover on itself. The zipper does go to the back, and I still have my shocks off here because it's going to be easier. But it doesn't look too hard. It's pretty easy. I'm thinking I might roll under one side like this so that it has a bit of a tighter fit. I guess for now let's just do it the way that it was intended and start putting it on. Start up there. And yep, like that. Now this one. This is cool. I've seen people use these, but I've never had one myself, so I'm looking forward to seeing how much dirt it actually does keep out of my chassis. And I'm hoping that I'm going to be happy with it. Get this, alright, it's not a super tight fit, but, like around the front here, like I can put my finger in there, so I'm thinking I might do something about that. We'll see. And then this edge, this other edge over here, it just slips down like between the electronics, which might not work so hot for me, but oh, actually, it's not bad. Yeah, it's not bad actually. Then this back section here, and this bit right here. Nice. Got my outerwears on. I'm liking that. Sweet. Then I've got space to open it up and stick my battery in. I'm thinking that for the front, I am gonna double the I'm gonna double this over, because I think it's gonna end up giving me a little bit better. Actually, no, it's not designed to work that way. Never mind, I'm not going to. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, of course, gotta put your shocks back on, which, I'm gonna go do that real quick. Hang on. And there you have it. There's my Slash. The brand new Outerwears cover on it. Let's see, out of 10, I'm an 8. I'm gonna say an 8 just because this side isn't Velcroed on. This electronic side. The back is pretty good, and then the front is open a lot, which shouldn't be a problem because most of a lot of the debris gets spat backwards, right? So there's not really going to be a ton that's going to be getting in there. But the other thing that I had the other thing that I thought that maybe that is ventilation. Because I did see reviews for a similar product to this that people said was like, oh, it's a great way to fry your electronics, but I mean, I'm confident that it's not going to, because it's a good brand that makes like full-scale pre-filters, so that's what that could be. It could be for airflow, which, alright, that's understandable, but whatever. So, next time we're going to be doing wheels and tires. I'm saving that for last because that's like the biggest thing. So, all in all, pretty happy with the way this turned out. I hope that you guys found this interesting, and I hope that you guys also get an outerwears cover, because I think that this is gonna serve me well. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if you're gonna get one, or if you think that it's a good thing to have on your vehicle and that they should really come stock with them. Follow me on Instagram at howie49_RC. That's also in the description below. And that's about all for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you next time.